malaking tulong po at nagpapasalamat tayo sa private sector din po, Madam Chair, kasi sila po mismo ang lumalapit sa CICC and volunteering their people to be part of the threat monitoring center, Madam Chair. Second po, we can enhance po and update po siguro yung mga cybercrime laws natin to include these particular incidents, particularly po yung RA 1175, the law po with regards to cybercrime prevention, which was enacted 2012 pa po and really needs updating, and probably some more mandates with regards to all the agencies involved, DOJ or OOC, the CICC po. And maybe new legislations po when it comes to jurisdiction, granting jurisdiction to whatever agency, whichever agency po, with regards to various platforms po. Probably sa streaming platforms po. Madam Chair, kasi we're faced with the absurd situation na ang higpit natin pag nagpapanood tayo ng mga sinihan, yung MTRCB natin ang higpit. Pero pag manonood ka ng mga streaming platforms, mga anak natin, kung anong gusto nilang panoorin. Even yung cartoons po kasi, and this is part of the study that we are, the literature we're studying is, even yung mga cartoons po, yung themes niya violent na rin, so appealing ho talaga sa children. So I think it's a concurrence of all three proposed measures, Madam Chair. Thank you po.